Hello friends, in the series of human resource management, today we are going to speak about the communication skill. Friends, why communication skill is important? How you are going to improve it? Communication is nothing but the act of transferring information from one place to another. We are having three stages or three gates of communication. Before communicating anything, we need to understand the relevant of the communication, or the necessity of the talk, or whatever we are going to speak, are we getting it from the facts and findings. The second is communication process. When we are talking about communication process, we need to have communicate. The sender formulates the message, sends message to receiver, message synthesized by receivers. Once receiver received the message, then again the feedback comes to the sender. So in that process, we may have some barriers which affecting the efficiency of the communication. The barriers we may have: physical barrier, psychological barriers, language barrier, status relationship, semantic barriers, other reasons. But the most important state of barrier is ego. How to make communication or transaction successful? First is self-awareness, second is transition of ego states. When we are talking about self-awareness, we are talking about the SWOT analysis. We will refer to the Johari window. The point 1 is open, which is known to self and to others. That means something which is I know about myself, other also knows about it. Second one is blind, that is not known to self but known to others. That means this is a blind stage, which something I do not know about others, but my colleagues, my teachers, my parents, they knows about me. Third is hidden, known to self but not to others. This is a stage where I am aware about myself, about certain qualities which I know, but other people do not know about it. Fourth one is unknown, which is the gray area, not known to self or others. The second point is like analysis of ego states. Ego plays an important role in human behavior. People interact with each other in terms of psychological position or behavioral pattern, known as ego states. Ego states are person's way of thinking, feeling and behaving at any time. There are three important ego states. One is child, adult and parent. A person of any age have these ego states in varying degrees. A healthy person is able to move from one ego state to another. To make communication more effective and efficiencies, we need to concentrate on 7 C's of communication. The first is clear. People should be able to understand the purpose of your message quickly and easily. Concise. Keep your message as short as possible. Concrete. This means that your message is practical and useful. You provide the right amount of detail and you stay focused on your main message. Correct. Always make sure your communication is free of errors and mistakes. And if your communication is written, make sure that you proofread it. Coherent. This means that points are in a logical order and the flow of your argument is consistent and well constructed. Complete. Your message should tell your audience everything they need to know and do without going off topic. And if they need to take action on something, this should be clear in your message. Courteous. This means it's friendly, empathetic and polite. Even if you are communicating something negative, it should be in a very polite manner. Friends, thank you so much. In the series of human resource, this is a very short presentation on communication skill. We'll again back with a number of topics related to human resource. So thank you friends. If you like it, please subscribe it and like it and share it.